Is he talking?
Yeah.
What did he say? What did he say? You wanna lay with the froggy?
Yeah, Mom.
Aw. He's saying good night. Aw, look how cute. Froggy's so cute. Are you sleepy, Jay?
The dog.
It didn't talk. Pat him on his head. Say night night.
Night.
He talked. Now tell him shh. He shushed. Very good. He did it again.
Mama frog.
Yeah, my frog. You awake?
Weak.
Oh, weak.
The
He did it again. He did it again?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Again.
Again?
Yeah. I'm off.
I'm off? Oh, you like that? Oh, wait. Let me move this. All right, now.
I'm off.
What?
Mama.
He did it again? Yeah!
Again.
What are you doing?
There. Timber.
It is a table, huh?
And down.
Now you can put the froggy on it.
No, frog big.
Where's the froggy's head? Where's the froggy's head?
It's there.
Where's his butt?
It's there.
Where's his foot?
It's there.
Ah. Where's his toes?
No.
Does he have toes or feet? Just
Toes.
toes? Where's his belly? Let's see his belly.
It's there.
Let's rub his belly. Yeah. Aww. Do you hear his heart?
Again.
He did it again?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Again.
Show Uncle Cedric. Where's his feet? Where's his head?
Where's Uncle Cedric?
Oh, I thought you were
Mom.
Yeah, I can hear it.
When did you start to turn into a young woman? It's Christmas time in the city. I want to show the... Hey, what's on your head? Did you show Cedric where's his head?
Look.
Oh my gosh! Don't teach Jacob to do that because the cat might scratch the shit out of him if he did it.
By the way, last time he said my name.
Did he?
Yeah, he doesn't call me always Cedric, but he's got a name for me now.
Oh, what is it? What?
Jacob.
Jacob,
Who
is that?
What's my name?
What's his name?
Let's go.
He's so excited. He's very excited.
I gotta go.
Where's the cat going?
It's there.
Yeah, the cat wants to go to bed. Let her go sleep. Time of... Oh, let's go dance. Let's go dance with the frog. Ay, let go. That hurts. Ow. You can let go. Thank you. Okay.
Oh, no. Look. Your shoes.
Your shoes?
Yeah?
They're in the other room. Just leave them. No, leave your shoes off. We're not going anywhere. We're staying home. You don't need the shoes. We're not going anywhere. It's too cold. You want to try on my shoes?
Jacob. Jacob.
Right here.
Wait, why you disturb him when I get up?
Cedric was going to ask him a question.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's so funny when he tries on women's shoes. I said,
No, Mommy.
Yep, that's mine.
No, Mommy.
Help him just cry.
Mommy.
They look like mommies, but not as big.
Oh, look.
Can you walk?
I think you said you was
Look.
Yep.
Look.
This is
Yeah,
a...
you are.
Look,
You
you
need to
walk.
go.
You're walking. Look, he is walking. He's doing all right.
Help himself.
Jay, be careful, please. He likes making the stuff.
I'm done.
You done? Oh, he's done. He kicks them off. You done?
No, I'm done.
You're done? Wonderful Christmas time.
More.
Jacob.
More.
Oh,
Jacob, can I ask you a question?
he's trying to get him back
Who
on.
is that?
Shoes.
Those are his shoes, alright? Get straight.
I got teeth.
Yeah, go. Yeah, the cat's asleep. She said she didn't want to run. Alright, Jacob, let's walk over to Uncle Cedric. What's his name?
Let's find him.
Who's that? Did you see who that?
I can't get a front of shot. Here, walk in the front of him. Go in the kitchen and run.
He's gonna go around 10 times. You gotta go this way. Yeah.
Go watch him.
Let me see. Are you walking? You are walking. You walk pretty good.
In Mom's shoes.
Hello.
You okay?
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah. I'm sure good.
What'd you say? Alright.
You're just full.
Really?
He's doing pretty good.
Oh, flash.
Trash. Ooh. Okay, let's take off the shoes now, okay? Let's go hug
What's
Uncle
his
Cedric.
name? What is his name, Jacob?
He's very focused right now.
He's focused.
What's his name? What's Uncle Cedric's name?
Don't say that. That's what throws him off.